my architect ran into Ori on some other project he was working on, and that was about, let's say, 4 years ago, and fell in love with the project and the product, and the rest is history. I'm Margarita Kvacheva, the CEO of LBC Boston, and we are the developer for Nova Quincy. We came to Quincy about 4 to 5 years ago. We saw huge potential in this neighborhood, wanted to bring in the new housing to this area, wanted to build something innovative, fun, inviting, and exciting, and I think we've achieved that. The biggest challenge for us as a developer is, with the rising construction prices, is increasing our return on investment. And we found that, building smaller units and increasing density helped us, right? But building smaller units is not necessarily what, your typical consumer wants. Trying to sustain that price point that we need for our internal underwriting and performance, it's very challenging. We needed to find a way to make a small unit functional or help us solve that issue. So that created additional square footage to the unit that we couldn't build.
I was searching for apartments. I had like 3 different options, but only this one had the Ori option. I'm a mathematician, so optimization is my passion. It gives me optimized space and organized space.
I used to live in a bigger apartment in Cambridge, but I feel like the way I'm using my space here in the apartment that is probably like 3 times smaller is so much more optimized.
I love people's reactions when they see the units. They're like, oh, this is cool. And then when they realize you can control it from your phone, you can control it with Alexa or with the touch of a button, they're mesmerized. Everyone just loves seeing that, and I felt like it was giving, and it is giving us a competitive edge. And we have about 1,000 units in our pipeline, a couple more buildings in Quincy, and one big development in Boston, right by Boston University. That's where we're looking to do more work with Ori. We feel like this is an amazing product.